Hello everyone. So today we will see one question on binomial distribution. So this is the question. Given a binomial distribution with n equals to 5 and p equals to 0.6, find the probability of exactly 3 success. This is the question. So this is the case of binomial distribution. So in binomial, bi means two terms. Two terms means two probabilities. First is probability of success P and second is probability of failure. This is Q. So in this case, P is given. This means probability of success is given. So if P equals to, I'm writing here. So this P equals to 0.6. In that situation, Q is equal to probability of failure is 1 minus P, and this equals to 1 minus 0.6. So probability of failure is 0.4. Now with n equals to 5 and exactly 3 success. So we can understand this case. Suppose we have 5 coins. We have 5 coins, and in a single tossing out of 5 coins we are talking about 3 heads, getting 3 heads. So these 3 are considered as number of success, and number of success is denoted by R. And total coins n equals to 5, this is n. So our objective is to find 3 success out of 5 coins. This means 3 heads we can say out of 5 coins. So to find probability in binomial distribution, formula is PR equals to NCR, Q raised to the power n minus R and P raised to the power R. This is the formula in binomial distribution. So for this given case, n equals to 5 and number of success 3 and Q is 0.4. This Q equals to 0.4. So we will write this as 0.4 and then n minus R. This is 5 minus 3. This is 5 minus 3 into P. P equals to 0.6 and the power of this is R, and R for this case is 3. So now we will solve this. So first thing, this 5C3 formula for NCR equals to factorial n upon factorial R, and this divided by this quantity. So this is factorial 5, this is factorial n, and this divided by factorial 3, and in denominator we will write 5 minus 3, and we will write this 0.4 raised to the power 5 minus 3, that is square, and this multiplied by 0.6 raised to the power 3. So when we will solve this, so this factorial 5 can be written as 5 into 4 into factorial 3, and this is factorial 3 as it is, and this is 5 minus 3 factorial 2, and factorial 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Now this term can be cancelled by this term, this 2 to 4, so this is 10, 5 to the 10, and we will solve these two also. So this 0.4 square equals to 0.16, and the cube of this 0.6, this is 0.6, this equals to 0.216. So on multiplication we will get this as 0.16, this quantity multiplied by 0.216, and this equals to 0.16 multiplied by 10. So the answer for this question is 0.3456. So this is the probability of getting exactly 3 heads out of 5 n equals to 5. So I hope you understand this question. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.